Hi, Suman.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir. What about you, sir?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Yes, Suman. Where are you from?
I'm from Warangal, sir.
Okay. And what is your education
I
qualification?
have completed my postgraduate in MBA Finance from all the College of Engineering.
What did you learn from SVC during this 2 months training?
I have learned investment banking and global accounting. In investment banking, I have learned corporate actions, mutual funds, bonds, debentures, and ratios. And I improved my communication skills through jam sessions, group discussions, and real-time HR classes.
Okay. Good to know that. And share your interview experience.
So I got placed in Jump. They are conducting 2 rounds, HR round and manager round. HR round, they are mainly focused on communication skills. They are asked 15 questions and I was able to answer 15 questions.
Okay. And when you are going to join?
I'm going to join next week.
Okay. Congratulations and all the very best.
Yes, thank you, sir, and thank you for support and guidance.